Ready?
Yes.
This is the big letter B. Say it.
This is the big letter B.
And this is the small letter B.
This is the small letter B.
You have to draw a box on the B's.
You have to draw a box of the B's.
Is this a letter B? Bird? Is this a letter B?
Yes.
Draw a box. Put the bird on the box.
Okay.
Put the bird on the box. Box the bird. Yep, like this. You have to box the bird so that it won't go out. Box, box, box. Box. Is that a box or a circle?
A box.
Okay, put the ball inside the box. It's B.
It's B.
Put it inside the box.
I dropped my.
Hurry. Is this a letter B?
Yes.
B, ball. Put it on the box. Hurry up. Hurry. Do it. Good. How about this? It's avocado. Is it B?
In there.
No box. What's this? It's a nest. Is it letter B?
In there.
How about the bag? Is it letter B?
Yes.
Bag? Put it on a box.
A bag is a B, like your bag?
Yep, B. How about the bell? Is it letter B?
Yes.
Bell.
Bell. Eva said put the box there.
Sabi niya,
Yes.
she wants to put the box on the avocado.
There.
The nest.
And there. And
Color.
there.
And you have to color pa pala. Color the big and the small letter B. Wait. You color it.
Eva's coloring.
No, not you. Your ate. Color the letter B. The big B and the small B. Okay?
Okay, I'll draw the small B first.
Okay. You like your assignment too, baby? Oh, don't cry na. How about the big B?
A big B?
Yeah, color it.
A baby B and
A mommy B.
that's not color yet.
Yeah, I didn't color. Go. Wait, love. Ate's not done, oh. Aba.
I'm doing my assignment.
Here.
Ava, I'm doing my assignment. Ava, I'm doing my assignment. Here's your assignment. Draw yourself, Ava.
Enjoy yourself. Okay? Do your assignment na.
Okay.
Don't shout at your sister. Sige na, sige na.
Done, Mommy. Done.
Good. Okay?
Okay.
Wait, baby. Isa, can you tell the names of these pictures?
Yes.
They begin with the letter B sound, okay? What's
Okay.
this?
It's a boat.
Good?
It's a banana.
What's this?
It's a baby.
Basket.
Basket. It's a
Bottle.
bottle.
You did again.
It's a boat. It's a banana. It's a baby. It's a basket. It's a bottle.
Good job. Done.
Yay.
Isa, you have to tell which pictures begin with the B sound. Oh, what's this?
Box.
Does it begin with a B sound? Ba, ba. Yes? Yes. Check. How about this? What's this?
Banana.
Does it begin with a B sound? Banana? Yes. Banana. You say it.
Banana.
How about this? Does it begin with the letter B? What's this?
A boat.
Does it begin with the letter B?
Yes.
How about this? What's this?
Baby.
Does it begin with the letter B?
It looks like my sister.
Yeah. Does it begin with the letter B? Yes. How about this? These are?
It's grapes.
Grapes. Does it begin with the letter B?
No.
No, it's G. Grapes.
G, grapes.
Good.
Not B.
Yeah, good job.